Here's the E4K Plus camera, and every time I want to power it off using that button, it's not powering off, but instead it's showing this. So luckily there is a power button there, because otherwise this is just jumping from setting to setting, and if you long press on that one, it will really power off. So how to get rid of that menu? I'm powering on again. Okay, come here to the settings wheel in the lower left corner. Now the next settings wheel in the left side, settings wheel, and go down until you see in-housing mode. Disable that in-housing mode, that's for a waterproof case. Okay, and now get out from here using the X. Okay, and now if I press and hold the power button on the top of the camera, now it's not showing that menu, but it's really turning itself off. So once again, I'm powering it on, long press. Okay, it's showing everything that it should show. Long press again, and now it's not showing that menu, but it's really powering off.